What if I told you that fall leaves are hiding a secret? Those bright yellow, orange, and red colors do not just magically appear out of nowhere. Some of them have been hiding inside the leaves all summer long. That's right. While the leaves looked green, they were secretly carrying other colors underneath, almost like a superhero wearing a costume. Then, when fall arrives, the green disguise disappears, and the hidden colors finally come out for one of nature's most beautiful shows. Welcome to Funimation 3D, where learning becomes an adventure. Today, we are going on a colorful journey through the autumn forest to solve a leafy mystery. Why do leaves change color in the fall? Get ready, because the answer is full of sunlight, tiny food factories, hidden colors, trapped sugar, and amazing tree science. Let's begin in spring and summer. During these warm, sunny seasons, most leaves are green. But why green? The answer is something called chlorophyll. That may sound like a big science word, but it is easy to understand. Chlorophyll is the green material inside leaves that helps them catch sunlight. Think of chlorophyll as a tiny green superhero living inside each leaf. Its superpower is collecting energy from the sun. Leaves use that sunlight, along with water from the ground and air from around them, to make food for the tree. So every green leaf is like a tiny food factory. The roots drink water from the soil. The trunk carries that water up to the branches. The leaves catch sunlight from the sky. Then the leaves use sunlight, water, and air to make food that helps the tree grow taller, stronger, and healthier. Pretty amazing, right? A leaf may look small and simple, but it has a very important job. During spring and summer, leaves are packed with so much chlorophyll that the green color covers up other colors inside the leaf. Yes, many leaves already have yellow and orange colors hiding inside them. We just cannot see those colors because the green chlorophyll is too strong. Imagine wearing a bright green jacket over a yellow shirt. If the jacket is zipped up, everyone sees green. But when you take the jacket off, the yellow shirt finally appears. That is a lot like what happens to leaves in the fall. Then autumn arrives. The days become shorter, the nights become longer, the air gets cooler. The sun does not shine as strongly as it did in summer. The tree notices these changes and starts getting ready for winter. Winter can be hard for trees. There is less sunlight, the weather is colder, water can be harder to get, especially if the ground freezes. So the tree begins to slow down and save energy. The tree stops sending as much water and food to the leaves. Without enough sunlight and water, the leaves stop making as much chlorophyll. Slowly, the green chlorophyll begins to break down and disappear. And when the green fades away, the hidden colors are revealed. Yellow leaves appear because of natural colors inside the leaves called xanthophylls. Orange leaves appear because of colors called carotenoids. That word sounds a little like carrots, and that is a great clue because carotenoids also help make carrots orange. So, when you see a bright orange leaf, you can think, that leaf has something in common with a carrot. But what about red and purple leaves? Those colors have a slightly different story. Some trees make special red and purple colors during fall. This can happen when sugar gets trapped inside the leaves. Remember, leaves make food for the tree, and some of that food is sugar. As the tree starts closing off the leaves, some sugar can get stuck inside them. When sunlight shines on that trapped sugar, it can help create beautiful red and purple colors. That is why some leaves look like cherries, rubies, grape juice, or glowing jewels in the autumn sun. Not all trees change into the same colors. Some trees turn golden yellow, some turn bright orange, some glow deep red, some become purple, some leaves turn brown, and some trees, like many pine trees, stay green all year because they have needles instead of broad leaves. Every tree has its own fall style. It is almost like the forest is having a giant fashion show, and every tree is showing off its autumn outfit. The weather can also affect how bright the fall colors look. Cool nights, sunny days, and the right amount of rain can make the colors extra beautiful. But if the weather is too dry, too warm, or too stormy, the leaves may fall quickly or look less colorful. So now we know the secret. Leaves are green in spring and summer because they are full of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps leaves catch sunlight and make food for the tree. When fall comes, the days get shorter and colder. The tree prepares for winter, and the chlorophyll breaks down. Then the hidden yellow and orange colors appear. Some leaves turn red or purple when sugar gets trapped inside them. So leaves do not change color because trees paint them. They do not change because of magic crayons. They change because of sunlight, temperature, chlorophyll, hidden colors, and the tree getting ready for winter. But even though it is science, it still feels magical. The next time you walk outside in the fall and see red, orange, yellow, or purple leaves, remember this: every leaf has a secret story. It was once a tiny food factory helping the tree grow, and before it falls to the ground, it gives us one last beautiful show. Thanks for exploring fall colors with us on Funimation 3D. If you enjoyed this colorful adventure, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Funimation 3D for more fun educational videos. See you next time, curious explorers!